Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about my first duck that is migrant to Sri Lanka. The Gargani. The Gargani is a small dabbling duck. Small and often rather unobtrusive duck of wetlands with reedy and other fringing vegetation. Breeds widely across Eurasia, winters in Africa and southern Asia. Migrates can be on more open water, even tidal mudflats. Handsome male, distinctive with big white eyebrow on dark brown head, pale grey flanks, pale grey forewings striking in flight. Female very similar to female green-winged teal, but head pattern more contrasting with paler eyebrow, darker eye strip and unstreaked whitish throat. A cross associates readily with other ducks, feeds mainly by dabbling. Their calls are like locally named Gagani Seruwa. I have not seen a Gargani. One of the places you can see is Boondala National Park. Boondala National Park is one of Sri Lanka's favorite bird sanctuaries. I have not visited Boondala National Park yet. I am very much looking forward to visit there soon. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video about square-tailed black bulbul.